Hey guys, and welcome to probably, in my opinion, the coolest layout they've had up here so far. So this somewhat brings me back to my childhood, I would have to say. But if you look in the back there, you got one of those big quarry ukes and an excavator. Looks like it's held on by glue or hot glue or something. And that one, I'm not sure how it's in there. But I guess the objective is to try to get it to come off and win, and maybe somehow get that to shake out and get that to come down. So this is a pretty cool idea. I think as soon as this thing starts to move, it'll probably shake that out. I'm not exactly sure about this one. Maybe if you get the thing off, which is going to be hard. It's not going to fit down that space. You can get it that way. So $500 buy-in. Thank you so much for joining me for today's video. Going ahead and just get started. Have some fun. Again, this brings me back to my childhood on this thing. I used to love, like most kids, big construction equipment. Bray's never really shown an interest in it yet. I bet you those things are heavy though. Can't tell whether it's plastic or metal. Looks like it's metal. Oh man, this is going to be hard. Also got some collectible coins in there, and got the Cabela's, which their closest Cabela's for me is either in Richmond or in Wheeling, which is a pretty decent hike. But you can always order off their website. I love that place. There we go. Come on, baby. Oh, that thing. Oh, that came off. It's slowly creeping off. I was kind of stuck up in the bucket. Looks like there's a string attached to it too. I don't know. Let's keep on playing. There's a $100 chip attached to that portion. So I hope everybody's doing good. This will be my Friday video. I have a very special weekend video coming out. Normally I just put this one and then the live stream, but it's not coin pusher related, but it has all, you will enjoy it. I promise you, you will enjoy it. It's something me and Bray are doing together, and I know you all like it. I'm so excited to try it. So look out for that video, maybe on Saturday. Come on, baby. These things aren't moving at all. Try this right side. There's a bunch of stuff over there. The only problem is you got to get on the other side of the uke. I can't get that spin on there right. There we go. Oh, that came down. Oh, and it's still hanging on there. Well, is that a win? Like if it comes off, is that a win? Or does it have to come off there? I don't know. That's interesting. I'll find out about that. Yeah, 'cause it looks like hot glue is holding it on. Oh. These things aren't moving at all. I wonder if they're glued down. Oh, that was pretty neat. There we go. Perfect. $20s. There we go. Or the 40 stack, I should say. The bonus hole is open. Oh no, I didn't think about that. If it gets caught behind the excavator, it's not going anywhere. Oh, it's stuck underneath the thing. That's a bummer. It's not even moving. Look, it's trying to. That thing has to be glued down. It's Right, let's get that 100 off. Oh man, everything's getting caught up over there. Don't go that way, and it did. Oh. Shoot, I might get them to move that because that's sort of not fair, man. Oh, come on. Yeah, it's getting caught up underneath of the chute. Well, if that's glued down, I hope that's not going to be a permanent thing in here. I mean, I like it, but I don't want to play the same game over and over. Alright, we're down to 50 cents. It's my last quarter. Alright, so let me go get them, see if I can move that, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, so I had them move things around. Apparently these things are in here permanent. I'm not real too crazy about the idea of that because stuff gets bunched up in the way. But we were able to win the 50, so if anything we'll just play on the other game and just play this every once in a while. They also said that that's supposed to be barely on there with hot glue, so you're supposed to get it with the coins to come off and bounce it and knock it off. I have no idea how I'm going to accomplish getting any of that out of there. They said they're just sitting there. So I'm not going to focus on that right now, but still cool to look at, I guess. But I definitely wouldn't like that to be in there permanent. I mean, the more stuff that's in your way, it hurts you instead of helps you. I know that they're trying to make their money and make it harder, but even still, I mean, it gets too hard and you can't win nothing. And then if things get caught like they just did, then I have to constantly go get them, get to move it, and I don't know. We will see. Oh, I didn't even show you how many quarters I got. I got that much left. All right, let's load this thing up. So the Flying J's video, I know it's kind of makes you nauseous, and a lot of it is the second half of it. It got a little better because I actually went up and talked to them. They got a police officer that works there now, a security guard, and I told them, asked them if it was okay, and they said it was. But the first time, I was being real cautious, trying not to make it real obvious I was filming because I don't know anybody up there now. So it made the camera bounce too much. But anyways, it was fun to do. I was a little stressed out about them saying something to me, but after I found out it was okay, we had fun. It's nice to play with little man. So something different for the channel, just like this weekend's thing, something different. I hope you all enjoy it. Has to do with making money though, I will tell you that. I don't know how you get, I wonder if you can shake that thing out. See, that thing doesn't really have much of a bounce on it. Oh, that's stretched. Check it out, it's stretched. Oh, I think it's going to come off. That is really stretched on there. I think that'll come off here soon. So that's cool. Nice Cabela and 100 chips. Oh, it's lifting the back of the tractor up, or the backhoe. It's lifting up in the air. All right, my last quarter. All right, let's go collect. All right, so that wasn't the best pull out, but whatever. 500 in, so we got it. the 100 out of it, or the 50. Oh, that's getting so close, that collectible coin. Second wave. Oh, all that money's getting bunched up. Oh, yes. All right. Oh, that thing is going to come, I think. As soon as that coin right there starts pushing on it, I wonder if that'll take it off. Because it looks like that back is lifting from the rear. It's getting quarters underneath it. Ah, come on, baby. 50 cents left. Come on, baby. Ooh. All right, guys. So, there's no time limit today. So if you see me taking my time, that's the reason why. Got another 50, and we got this one. I think it's another one of those mint mark things. And then we got that. I'm just gonna stay on the left for a little bit. That is so close, it's really pushing a lot of weight against it. Oh, that was dumb. Come on, baby. Let's win some stuff here. Ooh. Second wave. All right, now that's really pushing on there. We got to load up the left side as much as we can. Come on, baby. Go down to the bonus hole there. It's funny, it's like what's that when the earth kind of breaks through and stuff fall on it? That's kind of what it reminds me of. Big old hole appears. There's another one. Oh, all right, that fell. Not really going too well with getting anything out of the, oh, that fell, back of that ute. Second wave, nothing. All right, that was my last quarter. Let me collect real quick. All right, guys, so got another 50 and 80. So there we go. We're doing well. We got that. I'm gonna hit the skill stop a couple times, see if I can. No. Oh, the thing came off. How did I miss that? Well, I'm glad I got the camera rolling, but it came off. Awesome. So I guess we got the Cabela's card and that 100 chip too. Sweet. Man, there's a lot of quarters getting up underneath the backhoe. There's holding. Come on, baby. Good fall. Take it. Come on. All right. That Cabela's card stuck sideways in the chute, but I think I can reach up and pull it out. Oh, I can on this one. This one has the stinking, that plastic thing. Never mind. The other one doesn't. That was not smart. All right, last quarter. Second wave. All right. All right. Nothing outside of that. The card's stuck in the chute, but it is there. Ooh, that must have been that coin. Things are looking good today. When's the last time I had a really good payday? It's been a while. And 50 cents left. Second wave, maybe? Yep. Ah, good push. All right. So I've had something very similar to this before. Looks like it's got wheat and some language written on it. I don't know. If you all know what this is, leave me a comment and let me know. And we got that. So guys, it's time to pay tribute to my absolute favorite app in the world, Winner Winner. If you haven't downloaded Winner Winner, guys, there's no reason not to now. They're on Android and they're on iPhone. Everybody always constantly leaves me comments of stuff that they won from it. Some stuff comes straight from Amazon, so there's no delay. They're located here in the United States, in Arizona. Great people. They deserve to have a good running app. Such good people. If you want to download Winner Winner, check it out. Down in the description, you'll see a link to them. Hit my code Bartley15 to get free stuff. Go show them some love. This channel wouldn't be possible without their help, and I would love to show them some thanks by overwhelming their system. And also with my code, you like I said, you get free stuff. So, and I do randomly pick people to win free points on me. All right, it's getting close. Second wave. This is a big one. Oh yes. All right, let's go collect. All right, guys. So as you can see right here on the lip, there's a ton of stuff that's getting ready to fall. So I'll try to work both sides, left and right. Problem is it wants to fall in the middle, and that's just going to be behind that truck, I think. Oh, that's terrible. I honestly wish every bit of money was in those plastic things. It would be so much easier. And of course, anything to help you out, they're not going to do, but it would be so much easier. Oh, my Come on. There we go. You know, if quarters get bunched up too much, it'll burn this motor out. It really will. I don't think this is a real good idea. I love the aesthetics of it. Put off to the side. Call it something different. I don't like it right in the middle. I haven't got anything out of that uke yet. Oh, that was dumb. Come on, baby. Come on, there's a good one. Oh, sweet. There we go. There's another good one. That was my last quarter, by the way. Big push. Oh, that thing's gonna break loose. So they have a game. I'm gonna try to play next as long as it's still here, but I don't know if it's cops and robbers or something, but it looks really cool. I don't want to give too much away, but hopefully it's still on the other one and I can play it, show y'all what I mean. Just this thing caught my eye instantly. Come on, there we go, both sides. Exactly what we need. Oh, no. Come on, baby. Get that off there. Look at, it's starting to turn now. Man, we're already out of quarters. Oh, it's getting so close. Second wave. Actually, might be a third wave on this one. Third wave? Yeah, there is. Ah. Boom. Oh, that quarter's stuck sideways. Look at it. See it? Oh, yes. All right. That stinking quarter's in there. What kind of crazy stuff's happening today? Come on, baby. Got to get, looks like 240 stacks on each other, so that'll be 80 if they fall at the same time. Then there's that 50 there. I wish there was a way I could fling a quarter inside that uke. So Bray's loving his new desk from eWin, and they're not paying me to say that. I want you all to know that clearly. eWin's not paying me. They did give me the desk, but I guess that's technically getting something in return. But I just really love the products. I truly do. I really like, you know, Bray loves it. All right, guys. So we got 140. So we're doing great. Quarter situation, not so hot. I might do a buy-in. I'll see where I'm at. If I do a buy-in, I'm gonna get them to move that. Something fell. Get them to move the truck to do a little better. As far as knocking the stuff out of the back. Sorry, I start talking and then I stop. Never finish my sentence. I apologize, you all. Come on, baby. This bucket's turning around. Last quarter. Anything? Oh, that's so close. Get it off there, come on. Oh man, that's a cliffhanger. All right, so we got another 50, and we got that. That will fall down in any second. I wonder if no, I was trying to see if I could get that thing to come off. Oh, there it is. Perfect. Oh, there we go. Sweet. Come on, baby. Big push. Here we go. All right, guys. I'm going to go ahead and do another buy-in, and I'm going to see if they can make this where I can actually win it. So I know we're pretty much ahead. We got to be. So I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I did just a small $100 buy-in, which that sounds crazy to say, but they moved this around. It's not hooked anymore, and they put it up there. I'm not sure how it's going to be going backwards, not forwards, but that's what they did. And they did put that in a little bit more of an angle, I think. I thought that's what they were doing. So maybe that bucket will fall down a little bit and go in there. I'm not too sure. But this is what I got from that last pool, and also got this and 100. So we're doing excellent. Seriously, $100 buy-in. That's mixed in with what I've already put down there to win. So let's do this. I told them I wasn't a big fan of how this thing is getting caught up, and they said that they'll note what I'm saying. Or I guess taking the consideration. I'll tell you one thing I learned about going to Flying J's too, is I don't really respect having my camera on a tripod, how much easier that makes to have two hands to hold the skill stop and put the quarters in at the same time. I had Bray there helping me. I used to have random people, oh man, that's a good push though. I used to have random people come in and hold it for me when they seen I was struggling. That was always nice. It's moving, but it's not going down any. I've told y'all before, I'm going to start being a little bit more vocal, and they told me they don't mind. Just some of the people, the one that's not working here anymore, just seemed like I was aggravating them when I'd come get them, but I mean, that's what they get paid to do, so I'm not going to mind asking for favors. Let me see if I can. Oh, look, it's moving. Come on. This is not cheating. Shoot, that thing is bouncing. We got $1. We got 75 cents left now. So we got the $100 in gameplay. We got 40 here, 40 there. I don't know why I point that out. I'm more mentally just doing it for myself so I can adjust what I need to do. Boom.
swing back and forth. Last quarter. Big push.
Wow, this was a terrible return. We only got 50 cents left now. Come on, baby. Oh, we're getting down low. It's crazy. Justify the $100 buy-in. I'm trying to go to the right. There we go. Oh no. What a bummer. 1 quarter left. Now, unless something happens here. All right, 2 quarters left. All right, hope something happens. Oh, well, that might actually help me. Nothing. 2 more quarters. Jeez, the suspense. There we go. Got a couple more. Oh, more yet. All right. Oh, another one. And another one. How's that not falling? Oh, gotta play smarter than that, Josh. Take your time. There we go. Shoot. It'd be nice for that bonus hole to fall right about now. Last quarter. Nothing. Alright guys, I'm going to do one more $100 buy-in. This is probably a pretty stupid move. Alright guys, well it doesn't look too deep, but there's another. So I'm 5, 6, 7 in the hole. I hope this was a wise decision. But it's been so long since I've been able to take my time and play. I don't want to... I probably should have looked what was in there before I did that. And I didn't. There's barely $200. That 100 chip right there. I need this thing to come up. Finally, I was getting ready to say, I'm going to lose it all just first time I did a buy-in. Jeez. We're down to $1 now. Oh, that one on top. Fall off. Not a real good return. Well, I can see glue right there on that 500 chip. No wonder it's not falling. They said it was loose. I wonder if they're talking about the money or what the heck? That's a rip. How did I just now notice that? But even still, if the chips are glued down, I don't know how that 100 is not coming off there. Back on. Come on, baby. Not much. See anything happens this time? Nothing. Down to 75 cents. I'm not going to do another buy-in, guys. That would be dumb. Probably every buy-in I've done already was dumb. Oh, I just filled a gap. 1/4 back. Come on, baby. Oh, you got me kidding me. Whew, that's not how you want to end this. Alright guys, well let me count up and see where we're at. 700 in the hole. I hope I get close to that. Alright guys, be right back. Alright guys, so as soon as I stopped, this thing went back and forth a couple times and fell out. Those other two are up in there. You can see where the one's glued, but it wouldn't have mattered. I was out of change. So alright, $700 in the hole. I should not, I repeat, I should not have done either of the buy-ins, but I did. $790 in the hole. Grand total cash wise for today, counting this and counting this 100 right here, was $690. So that puts us technically in the hole $10 for cash. Now the value of this card is 50 bucks. I have no idea what the value of this is and whatever the value of this is. So counting the Cabela's card, I'm up 40. But and whatever the price is for that. So there you go. It's the first time that I had the opportunity to play with no time for a long time, and I just wanted to try to stay in the game. I should have looked what was here to win and did an educated guess, but I didn't. But I had fun and technically come out ahead, so that's not bad. But guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I really appreciate having you all here. If you did enjoy today's video, if you can please hit that like button. And also, please don't forget to hit that subscription button and become part of our family. Guys, I can't tell you enough how much I appreciate everything that you do for me. Remember, this Saturday I'm going to have a very different video, but I think it's something that the majority of you all will really enjoy and probably answer a few questions that some have had. So look out for that. But outside of that, guys, no matter where you're at, I hope you have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for spending a little bit of your time with me. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.